Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make curry sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need aromatics like fresh ginger and garlic, along with a medium onion. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your finely chopped onion and sauté it gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes beautifully translucent. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 inch of grated ginger, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Now let's build the rich flavor profile of our curry sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of your favorite curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin, and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a gentle kick. Cook these spices for about 1 minute, stirring continuously to toast them and release their aromas. Next, pour in 1 14-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, stirring well to combine everything. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing the flavors to meld. To achieve that perfect curry sauce consistency, it's time to add our liquids. Carefully pour in 1 cup of vegetable or chicken broth, which will add a wonderful depth of flavor. Then, stir in half a cup of full-fat coconut milk. This is key for a rich, creamy texture. Season the sauce with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Reduce the heat to low cover and let it gently simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen beautifully. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to our homemade curry sauce. Give it a taste and adjust any seasonings like salt or pepper to your preference. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro for a bright, herbaceous finish. If you prefer a smoother sauce, you can carefully use an immersion blender directly in the pot until it reaches your desired consistency. Your delicious, aromatic curry sauce is now ready to be served over fluffy rice, with warm naan bread, or alongside your favorite protein.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.